for these ginger lemon cough drops, I've taken 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, 1.5 teaspoon of sunkt powder or ginger powder. You can also use freshly grated ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of honey, 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice, 4 cloves that I've just powdered in my mortar and pestle, and a little bit of powdered sugar for dusting. Now I'm going to take my pan. To that I'm going to add the sugar, I'm going to add the water, I'm going to mix the two together really well. Then I'm going to add the sunkt powder or the dry ginger powder, cloves, and like I said, you can use freshly grated ginger also. Mix everything really nicely, and then I'm going to add the honey as well as the lemon juice. Then I'm going to transfer this pot onto my gas top, and on a low heat, I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes, stirring in between. So after 10 minutes, you'll get this very thick syrup, like a candy syrup. Now what I'm going to do to test it is just take about 1/4 of a teaspoon in a cup of water. And if you are able to form a soft ball like this, that means your mixture is ready. You can turn off the heat. Now I've taken a silicone sheet like this, and I'm just going to pour a teaspoonful of this. It's okay if the shape doesn't get retained. But if you're able to make a nice drop, then it's great. And I've also taken a baking sheet, but I found that the baking sheet, the drops tend to stick to the baking sheet or the butter paper. So if you have a silicone sheet at home, it's great. And set it for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you're just going to dust some powdered sugar. This helps to loosen up the drops or the candy. And then you can just keep it as a whole, or you can break it up into smaller pieces, because that way it's easier to eat them rather than have big circles like that. You can also pour this into molds, silicone molds, so that you get individual lozenges, and then just dust the like I said, I found that the baking paper, it did tend to stick, so I had to take off the paper. It was a little bit cumbersome, so the silicone sheet was much easier to work with, or any plastic sheet. And then I'm just going to transfer it to a glass container, dust a little bit of powdered sugar so that you can get individual pieces. And that's it, friends. And you can just pop this and have this whenever you feel like. And it's got honey, it's got ginger powder, so all good things.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.